I'm great. Thank you so much for welcoming me here.
Okay, let's do a proper introduce yourself to your fan because now we got so many fans watching you right now and they keep sending message Myanmar.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Hello everyone, I'm JK Sophia, your Miss Grand Myanmar 2025, and I'm so excited to be here in MGI, and I can't wait to meet all of my other grand sisters today. Thank you.
Yes, so nice. Okay, the one question so now. Your outfit is very sad now. So can you please tell me like what is the inspiration or this is mean something?
This is the representation of, in Myanmar, we have many ethnicity, and this is one of the ethnicity that I was born from. It's called Kachin. But I'm actually half Kachin, half Thai. So that's quite interesting. Also, this green represents the jade of our Kachin land. So this is what I'm trying to wear today and represent here, right here. Thank you.
Great job. That's so beautiful, right? Yes. Okay, so how do you prepare yourself to be here on the Miss Grand International?
So for Miss Grand International, I have thought a lot about my preparations. I started thinking from catwalk, also for private interviews, and also stage presentation. And I'm pretty sure that I did not even rest a single night because I'm like reciting it mentally, also physically. And I'm so excited because this is also my first ever international stage. But I have experience with stages since I was a kid because I was born a Christian and I do like lots of worship songs. So this is also another thing that I want to show in Miss Grand International stage. I love doing entertainment with meaningful stuff. So I'm here today to show you guys entertainment with meaningful face. Thank you.
Okay, we keep something serious later because you still have so many days in Thailand, in Bangkok. Let's just like chill a little bit. This is the first time for you in Bangkok?
It's actually the third time.
Okay.
My first time I came here to take a catwalk class with teacher Douglas.
Okay.
Second was with CJ, our queen. And this is my third time right here. So yeah.
How do you love Bangkok?
Bangkok is also kind of like my second hometown, Also, I'm half kind of, big Thai, do we say it? So I am really happy to be meeting with all of the people right here. I also love Thai culture, by the way, because it's like very cute, very active, very flirty sometimes. So that's kind of what I like about Thai. Yes.
Nice. Okay. What is your number one favorite Thai dish?
Of course, it's papaya salad.
Oh.
Papaya salad is my favorite all time. Pit mak, yes.
Can you eat spice?
Yes, bring it on.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, so I'm gonna let you introduce yourself, just like a proper introduce yourself, pretending that you are on the stage right now. And how do you want to show your power? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it then.
JK Sophia, Miss Grand Myanmar.
Oh my God, you just surprised me. It's so powerful. Okay, next I'm going to introduce you with, yes, there she is, Mexico. Mexico is right there. Okay.